president criticized the cost of Medicare for all, and now he's saying in the midst of this outbreak that the country needs to spend whatever it takes?
The answer is, not frustrating. I wouldn't use that word. What I would say is that right now, the absurdity and the dysfunctionality of the current healthcare system is becoming apparent to everybody. And maybe this is an issue that Joe Biden and I will be discussing on Sunday night. But the idea that people are now saying, well, we should spend as much as it takes, when in fact, in normal times, we are spending twice as much per capita on healthcare as any other people, while the healthcare industry made $100 billion last year in profits, and the pharmaceutical industry makes huge profits as well. So as I said earlier, I think maybe for Mr. Biden, maybe for other people, this is the time to think about our current healthcare system and how does it happen that after we spend so much, so many of us are uninsured or underinsured. Is the function of healthcare just to make huge profits for the insurance industry and the drug companies, or should it be to provide quality care to all? And it's not even just the uninsured and underinsured. It's parts of this country, as you all know, in rural America, where hospitals have shut down. What do you do when there's an emergency and you have no medical care near you? What do you do when there aren't enough doctors, or there aren't enough nurses? How does that happen? So I would hope that this crisis, maybe that's my main point today, that this crisis should be a moment in which people ask fundamental questions about the dysfunctionality of our current healthcare system and have the guts to finally say to the healthcare industry, the drug companies, the insurance companies, and others, that the function of a rational healthcare system is to provide quality care to all, not to make billions in profits for the people who own the industry. Yeah, Carl?